Welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth. I am so happy that you're here. And I am excited to announce that Paula Young is sponsoring this video tonight because I am debuting a brand new style for you. This is the beautiful North in the exclusive color 30, 28, 26. That is golden ginger. For my viewers who have been asking for longer styles, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous long style. I just love it. We have these beautiful layers in here, some face framing layers. The bangs are already here for all of my bang lovers. Just perfect. Super soft Canacolon Whisper Light fibers. I love it. I am going to put her stock photo over here and the measurements over here so that we can spin and see this beauty all the way around. Let's just quick compare. And now let's spin. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that. All these gorgeous layers. Just beautiful movement. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. So let's talk about golden ginger. So 30, 28, 26. That's going to give us medium auburn in here, a lighter auburn in here, and a blonde in here. And I know a lot of my viewers out here have been looking for more auburns, and this is such a beautiful shade. It is just your light auburn with these fine blonde highlights. I think it is truly beautiful. I know there's a lot of ladies out there too who have been looking for strawberry blonde. Now, while this is an auburn, it does have the blonde highlights in it. So this might be an option for you just to try something different if you were curious about an auburn shade. It is really pretty. And I will be sure that I take a step outside so that we can see it in the natural light, because it is such a beautiful color. So besides golden ginger, North is also available in all 21 of Paula's preferred hues. So you're sure to find your favorite color when you're shopping. And don't forget, use my discount code BBH20. That's gonna save you 20% off of each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. Let me show you the inside of this cap, and then I'll show you a couple cute styling options with this girl. So to keep the price point down, North is your basic cap wig. We have this nice soft felt front. We do have some of the lace covered wefts here. There is permatease in here. We have those open ear tabs, the bendy stay. We do have the hair on the inside that really helps to keep it looking natural. The extended nape, of course, your Velcro closures. There is a really good amount of stretch in this one. My circumference is 22.5 inches around, but let me just show you because there is a lot of room here. All right, there's a lot of room in this cap. I haven't moved the adjusters at all. And let's just comb those bangs back down. Look at how cute that is. I really like the layers in here. So we have some of those face framing layers right here and right over here. All right, so if we leave some of these layers out at the front, we can really do a cute little ponytail. So I'll just go to the back. I just kind of tug down on the bottom, and then I pull up the crown just to give us a little bit of lift up here. really cute. I love it with those little layers at the front. It looks so cute. Really nice. Now I know a lot of you like to wear your hair up in a clip too and have that option. Sometimes I just bring claw clips to work with me, and then if I get hot, I can just add a clip during the day. So again, you can just kind of keep those sides out, and then so we're just twisting up the back, but I'm going to tug down so that my wig line is not showing. And then I kind of grab a weft when I do that and let some of this pretty hair fall over top of that clip. Just really another cute option when you're at work. So you can wear these long ones even in the summer. You know, you can get it up off your neck and it looks super pretty. I also think if you wanted to do the half up style, you could, and that would be really pretty. So we'll just grab half of it, leaving some down at the front. I used to wear my hair halfway up a lot back in the day. Then I just do sort of the smaller claw clip here and kind of bump that up and tug a little bit, make sure no wefts are showing, pull up at your crown, and sometimes that makes for a really nice profile. I love the styling options that we get when we have the longer styles. Such a pretty and easy long style. North from Paula Young. I hope that you guys enjoyed this debut of the brand new style. I think it is beautiful. I love it, and I hope that you love it too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.